Now that we have interacted with some of you, we have noticed that there are 3 big factors that influence your home purchase decision. Location carries the most weight, followed by the quality of the housing that the developer is selling, and finally the security of the home and the family friendliness of that exact home. Today we are in Ngong Kibiko, and this is a gated estate of around 20 units. Each unit has a plinth area of 215 square meters, and as you can see, each unit is very beautiful and it is all ensuite to fit you and your family. Ngong is 22 kilometers from Nairobi CBD, and it is stiffly competing with the likes of Ruiru and Kikuyu, which are in approximate distance of 25 kilometers. Ngong is better because it's not very hot, the area is very hilly, and it gives you the best views and the closeness to all social amenities. Each unit in this gated estate comes with a 2-car parking that gets a very good shade from that pergola. The main entrance is over there, and this shade is giving you a very good entrance porch. On this side of the unit you have the front yard, and from the living room you are getting a very nice view. I'll take you inside. The second factor, as I mentioned, is the quality of the house that you intend to buy. Just look at this one. Has it not been done very well? What I like about it is the open layout that the developer capitalized on. On this side, you have a 6-seater dining set done very well. I like it that you are getting 4 seats and a bench here for the kids. On this side, you can see you have an extra space just in case you want to increase the size of the dining table. The dining space is creating a good separation between the living room and the kitchen. The living room has been done very well. I like it that right now it is fitting a 7-seater couch, and you have the best picturesque views from this massive window. This is where you are supposed to do your electronics. As you can see, enough sockets and access to DSTV and intercom have already been provided. I'm loving the ceiling height, and I like it that the curtain rails have been hidden in the ceiling. So the flow of the curtains and the blend of them to everything else is giving you something very elegant. Before I take you to the kitchen, we have some stickers that have been written, "Do not sit." And my question is, anyway, we continue. At the entrance of the kitchen, you have this countertop that is supposed to act as a breakfast table on that side, and also it is supposed to give you a bit of privacy separating the kitchen from the dining area. From there, you can agree with me, especially the ladies. This is one hell of a beautiful kitchen. The kitchen comes fully fitted. The cabinetry is extremely beautiful, and because I know some of you have already activated the purchase button, do not even try to purchase a property without doing a proper due diligence. That's why we offer you a pre-purchase inspection. So make sure you call us. We will help you to verify the legality and the structural quality of a unit before you purchase. Usikoniwe. On the far end, you have the door that is supposed to take you to the laundry area, the clotheslines area, and the kitchen garden. We will see that later. This is a space for your kitchen appliances, and the company is Bosch, just to make sure that the quality is not compromised. Here you have the sink area. It is a double sink next to the window. Behind me, you have your cooking area, and you are getting a Bosch 5-burner cooktop, and the connection to the gas cylinders is outside. On this other side, you have some sections that have been created for your serving, and this becomes very important when you want to give the people who are in the dining area some food. On my front, you have the pantry of this kitchen, partitioned very well, big enough for all your dry foods, and also it gives you a space for your refrigerator. Let's see the laundry area and the kitchen garden. This is the laundry area and it is big enough for your washer and dryer. You have an external laundry area where you can wash the dirty clothes, and this other side has been reserved for your clotheslines area. On my far front where the videographer is, you can seclude that section to be used as a kitchen garden. I'll take you back inside. On this level, we still have the common washroom and the guest bedroom. The common washroom is here, done very well, and it comes with all the fixtures that you may require. It is under the stairs and it has been done very well to make sure that it suits very well all your guests. This is the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom is the smallest. It has been done very well. The quality has not been compromised. You are getting a floor-to-ceiling closet done and partitioned very well. And on this other side, you are getting the guest bathroom. One very important factor or one very important thing about this bedroom is that it comes with an extra door. That means that the guest bedroom can be accessed from outside. That makes it very easy for you, especially if you have boys or if you have traditional parents who keep visiting. This is the guest bathroom and it is written toilet not in use. So if you keep forgetting your manners, this is not the place to exercise that. At the entrance of the guest bathroom, you have a small vanity. A WC is at the center, and behind me you have a small shower cubicle. In addition, you're also getting a towel holder and a tissue holder. There are several highlights of this unit, and the staircase is one of them. First, it has been done using mahogany. You are also getting a massive window here to give you maximum natural light. The center light is spectacularly beautiful, and you have another window on this side just to make sure the beauty has been magnified. This level has been reserved for the bedrooms, and behind me you have the first and the second bedroom. On my far front where you have Mr. Vincente, that's where you have the access to the pergola and the primary bedroom. This is the first bedroom and it is meant for the kid. And in that sense, I want to congratulate the young generation for following us. And because I know some of you have a very low concentration, the shorter version of this video is in our TikTok or our Instagram, African Real Estate. And for those who keep asking, Mungai Kihara, can you help me sell my unit? Yes, we can help you do that right now. Just go to our website, africanrealestate.com, and post your listing down there. Now let's talk about this bedroom. How do you like these closets? Are they not beautiful? They have been done very well. You are getting a set of drawers down there for the socks and for your innerwear. You have some spaces for the hangable clothes, and you have some partitioned spaces over here for the foldable or for the shoes. The window is massive for maximum natural light. This is the bathroom, and it is adopting a similar concept to what we saw in the guest bedroom. And from here, I'm taking you to the second bedroom. The second bedroom is slightly bigger than the first one. It comes with a slightly bigger closet. All the other aspects of the closet are just similar. The window on this side is giving you a ton of natural light, especially when you are choosing your clothes in these closets, and the bathroom is here. In the bathroom, you are getting a smart mirror, a vanity, a floating water closet, and a shower cubicle that has been done very well. These bathrooms are very standard, and you're also getting a solar water heater which supplies these modern shower heads with optimum power pressured water. I like the design of these homes. First, you are getting two wings on the bedroom levels. On one wing, that's where you have the primary bedroom, which we are in right now. And on the other wing, you have the two kids' bedrooms. In this wing, the primary bedroom has been done spectacularly well, and it is the biggest. First, you are getting a mini walk-in closet, floor to ceiling, done very well. Enough spaces for you and your partner. And on this other side of the primary closet, you are getting your primary bathroom. The primary bathroom comes with a vanity behind the door. On this other side, you are getting your floating WC, a bathtub jacuzzi, is a must these days. And on my right hand side, you have the biggest shower cubicle. The fact that it comes with a handheld and a big rain shower is something to make you purchase these units. For the people who love a big sleeping space, or for some of you who say ati kitanda ikiguza kwa ukuta ni ya maskini, now you have an ample space. This is a space where you can do a 6x6 bed, a king size or a queen size bed, and it will not even dare to touch any of the edges. The night lighting has been done very well. You are getting 2 big windows to give you maximum natural light, and this window also acts as an access to the pergola, which doubles as a balcony to this primary bedroom. If we are talking about a good design, this home is top-notch. You are getting this pergola area, which doubles as the balcony to the primary bedroom, but also it can be accessed from this door by other family members. From here, you can interact if you want to have a family conversation during the morning or in the evening while you are enjoying the breeze from Ngong Mountains. Let me tell you, this is a perfect place. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. As I mentioned earlier, these homes are going for 14.5 million Kenya shillings for cash buyers and 14.8 million Kenya shillings for mortgage buyers. If you would want to purchase any of them, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment. As always, this is African Real Estate. My name is Mongai Kihara, and we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.